What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video today, it's all about the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I understand this phone is way like 2 years past or 1 year past, and still it has something throughout us, especially when you're coming from Pixel 6 Pro to Pixel 7 Pro. If you just want to go throughout all the lineups, it's a really great thing. So today we're having this device and we're going to be checking it out. So yeah, here's our device and we're going to just unbox it right now. As you can see, I just took my knife knowing I'm peeling out while we're having only this kind of peeling, so you just unbox it this way, which is really great. And when you're done, just open like iPhone the way you do it. So nice and cool. I like that black, looks really nice. And I'm gonna keep my phone aside first and see what's inside. You're getting an OTG in here, which is a Type-C to USB-A, which is really great. You're getting the USB Type-C to Type-C, which is quite not bad throughout your phone or throughout your cable. Another kind of stuff, you're getting this kind of paper, which it's like paperwork. And I think we might get some stickers if I'm not mistaken, or if there's no stickers, oh, you're actually getting the pin for ejecting your SIM card, which is really great. So this is the pin for ejecting your SIM card. Typically the Pixel 7 Pro does not come with a sticker, which is something which I thought that it might have a sticker, but actually it doesn't come with a sticker. So that's like a downside. So by the way, the phone looks really nice. I like the way they kept the black, looks really shiny. It's shining a lot and gives you some great and amazing kind of perspective throughout viewing your device. So on the front, just have this kind of paper, which you're gonna unbox it right now, just like that. So you're having your phone in here. It's a curvy display, which it's really quite impressive, to be honest. And I like it, the way they kept the form factor. To be honest, it's really amazing. So we're gonna power on this bad boy. I hope it has some juice, and we check out. If it doesn't have some juice, I guess we'll charge it and come back to on another segment when it's on. So I guess it doesn't have charge, so we're gonna just charge it and check it out throughout another one. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Let's talk about the specification of the Pixel 7 Pro. Well, it comes with a 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED display, the 1440x3120 pixels resolution. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate. It comes with a processor of Google Tensor G2, which it has octa-core. It has a RAM of 12 GB, and on the storage size, it comes with 128 GB of storage, 256 GB, and 512 GB of storage. It does not have any expandable storage on it. The rear camera, it has 50 megapixel of camera with an f1.9 and an ultra wide camera with a 12 megapixel of camera with an f2.2, and the telephoto camera has 48 megapixel of camera with an f3.5, which offers you 5 times optical zoom. On the front camera, it has 10.8 megapixel of camera with an f2.2. On the battery side, offers you 5000 mAh of battery with a wired fast charging of 23 watts with a wireless charging of 23 watts. It has a reverse wireless charging of 5 watts. On the Android system, it comes with the Android 13 on it, which you can upgrade up to Android 14. It offers you for almost like 3 years or 4 years of update, and it's quite not bad. Let's talk about the build side. It has a Gorilla Glass Victus front and back, and it has an aluminium frame. On the weight side, it has 212 grams, which is quite not bad for this kind of device, which it's quite a little bit easier for you to carry it and keep it on your pocket for each kind of day-to-day uses, which is quite impressive. On the connectivity side, it offers you 5G of connectivity. It has an Wi-Fi 6E and the Bluetooth version 5.2. On top of it, it comes with an NFC. Other features, it offers you IP68, which is dust and water resistant. It has even a fingerprint under display with an optical sensor. And last but not least, it has a stereo speakers, which is really vibrant.
So this is a cinematic blur video, and it's really cool. I'm testing it on the Pixel 7 Pro, and it seems to be good because I usually love this kind of mode whenever I'm just shooting on a certain occasion, and it's a little bit windy on this road, you know, and yeah. So this is a front-facing camera. As you can see, I'm on the dark right now, but still it's a front-facing camera. Testing it at the dark, how much it's speaking, but it seems to be a little bit off. So if you add some light on it, let me just do some lightning here. So as you can see, so adding light, you get a perfect conditioning of your video, but hiding light, you get a very bad video. Adding light, you get a perfect video. So yeah.
So guys, my honest thought about the Pixel 7 Pro, to be honest, it's a worthy device. If you're coming from Pixel 6 Pro, you just want to upgrade and check out the 7 Pro, it's actually really amazing. But if you're coming throughout a perspective whereby you just want to grab another device which is brand new, which I was saying so many times, there's a Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 lineup, which is coming around August 13th of this month, is going to be released. So just hold up, don't switch to, if you're using the Pixel 7 Pro, you want to switch to Pixel 8, don't do that. Just wait for the Pixel 9 to be announced, and so as you can make a perfect switch, because there'll be bunch of upgrades, especially when it comes to AI stuff and when it comes to camera. I believe they might be upgrading it throughout there. And sorry for any background noise, because we are having kids over here somewhere outside today in public, so I decided to do this video so as I can share with you guys some a little bit of different perspective of my tech videos. So as you can be saying so many times, Abdul, why are you shooting your videos only on your setup? But we can actually shoot the videos not only on the setup, but we can shoot it even outside and have a good perspective through our tech talk. So basically, so yeah, that's it guys. So if you want to make a switch, make sure that you just wait for the Pixel 9 to be announced so as you can make a perfect switch. But if you just want to grab a phone, which I can recommend, if you come from Pixel 7 Pro, I'll just still say wait. I just cross my fingers for that, because I cannot recommend for you the Pixel 8 Pro, but it's a good phone, I understand, but still wait for the Pixel 9. So even me too, I'm waiting for the Pixel 9 to just see the specs. I wanted the Pixel 7 Pro badly because I really love this phone, because I come from the Pixel 6 Pro. And sorry guys, I didn't share with you guys any Pixel 6 Pro kind of like my usage. I didn't share because at the moment I had that phone, I decided to return it back, and for sometimes I was using it and I had to get the 7 Pro. So yeah, I just wanted 7 Pro. I understand I can switch to Pixel 9, not now but later, but I think it's a really worthy thing. So that's what's up guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Do you think like switching to these devices because it's just a minor upgrade, which Google, I keep even talking to the comments on Google. I tell them each year you guys release something different and you tell us this is the most iconic, and another year it's something else. So that's just thing which we are in an era whereby so many devices will come out and so many things will come around, but you can stay with a phone which can last much better, like Pixel on updates and all of that can last much better, and it's a really worthy thing. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that, and another kind of stuff. See you guys on the next tech video, and peace.